how are you? Hope you all are good and fine. Today I am going to take your years of class 3, chapter number 20, the potter's wheel. This is a new chapter, and first of all you have to know about the what do you mean by pottery. So pottery, the objects made out of wet clay are called pottery. The objects which are made out of wet clay, that are called the pottery. All of you have seen so many things that are made with the wet clay. In the early man used this type of pottery for their daily use. They used to store food and they cook food with this with the clay pots. Okay. So nowadays also some people used to cook food and they also store food with these pots and first. And that time, early men used to make this type of pots with their hands. But nowadays, the potters wheel. The potters are the people who made the clay pots with the help of wheel. That people are called the potters. So this type of people used to make the clay pots with the help of potter's wheel. Okay, so what do you mean by potter's wheel? So here the example of the pottery, you can say the cups, earthen cups and pots. These are the example of pottery. And the potter wheels. A potter's wheel has a round, flat wooden or metal surface. The potter wheels has a round, flat wooden or metal surface that can spin. While the potters shapes the clay on it. So what do you mean potter wheels? It is basically round in shape and it is flat wooden or metal surface which can spin. And that time when the wheel is spin, that time potter shapes the clay on it. This looks like this. See, it is in a book. See, this is the potter's wheel. Okay, they use this is the middle portion. They put over some clay on it, and after putting the clay, they used to rotate the wheel, and with the help of their hand, they give a shape of any pot. Okay. See, this is the potter who just gives shape the pot with the help of the wheel. Okay. Now, making a pot. So what are the steps that are in the making of the pots? So first of all, what are the things they use to make the pot? Some they use the clay or mud or the potter's wheel. Sometimes wood is also required, and some tools are also required to make the clay pots. So let's see. First, the making a pot. The first one, the potter spins a lump of clay on the wheel and pokes both thumbs into the top of the lump to make it hollow and smoothens it top portion of the lump. Here they put their hand like this. After that they make it hollow and smoothens the clay. Okay, like this they used to make the pot. Smoothens with his hand. After number 2, the potter can shape the sides into the desired form by pressing and pinching one hand on the inside and one hand on the outside of the spinning pot. After that, what happened? Potter can shape the sides of the desired whatever the shape they want. They just keep the shape like this. See, this is the one pot and this is the outside of the pot. They put their hands on it and give the shape of the pot. Okay, then number 3, he uses the tool to remove the excess clay. Then they also use some tools to remove the excess clay from the pot. Then number 4, the finished vessel is removed with a thin thread knife. After finishing their making of pot, they how to remove the vessel from the wheel? They use a thin thread and sometimes they also use the knife to remove the vessel from the wheel. Then number 5, the design are made on the pot by the potter. Then they also sometimes they made some designs on the pot. Number 6, the pottery is made smooth, shiny and waterproof by glazing. They also use some glazing to make the pottery more attractive and shiny and glazy. You have seen so many markets are available nowadays for that are made with the clay. Then number 7, after that the pottery is baked in the oven called the kiln. Then after that what happened? They just bake this pot into the oven. That oven is called the kiln. And this makes the pottery hard and strong. After the baking, these pots are very hard and strong. So like these are the steps that are used for the making of the pot.